Hey guys, welcome back to the vlog. It's Boof. And I'm having a hard time. Having a really hard time. I had a plan. I tried it. I didn't like it. A light went off. I said, maybe we'll try again. I didn't like it. That light's gone off about 43 times now. Still don't like it. My goal was to paint the focal wall. But now I've been so wrapped up in the right color, the wrong color, the right shade, the wrong shade, I don't think it'll ever get done. I mean, did you see this? Literally. Just keeps going. My wife, I send her to Home Depot and I say, needs to be lighter, needs to be darker. More yellow, more orange, less yellow, less orange. I have no idea what I'm doing. I don't even know that I like that color anymore. So I told her to pick. Of all the samples, just pick one. We'll see what happens. Worst case, I don't like it. And we do it all over again. Best case, she pulls out a miracle. I'm really hoping she pulls out a miracle. At this point, I can't decide. Stick around. We'll see what it looks like. It's gotta be better than this. Okay guys, I'm finally gonna paint this wall. But first, I gotta get that behemoth down. But not to worry, it's gonna be easy peasy. Now you see it? Easy peasy guys, what'd I tell you? Nothing to it. Yeah, because she did that all by herself. All right guys, first things first. So to get that off the wall. I hope I remember. I remember. They're not coming off. I don't know why. So like I thought they were just hanging up there. Best of my memory. I brought reinforcements. I'm gonna go back and watch the dang video. So I went back and watched our original video, and apparently Boof anchored it to the wall from the kitchen side. I need to go figure out where and how to unanchor it. Well, that wasn't fun. I don't remember that part. I'm sure it was there, but I don't remember it. Okay guys, so I did a little touch up in here on the wall where I jammed it up a little bit and plus had a few holes in it from previously. So I've puttied those up using my pink spackle. If you haven't tried this stuff before, I strongly recommend trying it. It's amazing. It goes on pink. When it's dry, it turns white. It's like no muss, no fuss. You don't have to wonder, you don't have to guess. You just put it on and walk away. When you come back and it's not pink anymore, you know it's good. So I want to show you the difference. This is a spot that I puttied earlier that was pink, but you can see now it's white. White as can be. So you can see here how this has got just a touch of pink to it. And that's because it's still a little tad bit wet. So if you feel it, you can feel it. It's a little bit wet, but it's still got a shade of pink. I don't know why you can see that, but it has a shade of pink in it. So in case you're wondering why the fan is there, my spot is taking longer to dry than I want to wait for because I'm being impatient. So the fan is just helping it along. Look at that. Isn't it pretty? Isn't it a wonderful color? I thought I was done, guys. I thought it was all pretty. Was gonna put the waterfall back on the wall. It was gonna be late. It was all done. I did all the work. So, here's the deal. Waterfall's the wrong color. It wasn't the wrong color when it was up on the wall before, and I love the yellow. But now, the rest of the living room needs to be rehauled. So, we need to change the rug. Let's upholster the chaise lounge, get rid of that chair. Think about maybe some new end tables. Let's redo that wall feature. I really don't like the pictures on the wall now that we went with the different color. So I think perhaps we should switch that out and find something that's gonna look a little more, I'm thinking geometric. How do you feel about that? Oh, and there is this little tiny issue I have with the entry table. I'm thinking it doesn't really work for me. What do you think? I agree. So let's get to work. I really need help, guys.
Where's the Home Depot card?
We don't have a Home Depot card.
Oh, found it.
I'm now really concerned because we didn't have one a minute ago. Honey? Honey?
I'm in the truck.
You don't like it either? I told her to fix it. I told her to pick a color. It's not my fault. There's a million options, sir. Even he doesn't like it. When she says that, she makes it sound like my fault. Hey, focus on me.